Unit 7, Natural Selection, Lesson 1. Natural Selection Unit Introduction. Look at the picture of the herd of giraffes. What are some traits that allow the giraffes to be successful in their habitat? Charles Darwin is known for his work in natural selection and evolution. Earlier works from geologists and paleontologists started paving the way for the understanding of this process. They knew that life had been around for a long time and that some species went through changes or had become extinct based on the fossil record. Darwin himself also exchanged letters with another scientist by the name of Alfred Russel Wallace. In 1858, they independently came up with the story of evolution through natural selection. Darwin has since then overshadowed Wallace in his journey to explain how this process happens in nature. Darwin set out from England aboard the ship, the HMS Beagle, for a 5-year voyage which led him to the famous Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands sit off the mainland of South America and remain untouched by most human influences. The islands are home to several animal species that have adapted to each of their unique niches, such as giant tortoises, sea lions, iguanas, and the finches that sparked Darwin's studies in evolution and natural selection. Natural selection is a process where organisms that are better suited to their environment will be the organisms that tend to survive and reproduce, passing their genetic information to the next generation. Because of this selection process, the traits that allow the organism to survive and reproduce, also known as adaptations, become more frequent from generation to generation. Look at the following pictures and decide what traits and characteristics are helpful to the organism. In the first picture, the polar bear has fur and blubber that allows it to survive in the extreme cold. In the second picture, the sea dragon blends in with the ocean plants to hide from predators. In the third picture, the Venus flytrap has hairs that sense prey when it lands. In the fourth picture, the cactus has a waxy coating and modified leaves that prevent water loss in the extreme heat.